Code Recipes apps are designed to assist developers and programmers by providing a vast collection of programming snippets, algorithms, and coding examples across various languages. These applications serve as a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced developers, offering quick solutions to common coding challenges and enhancing productivity. Typically, Code Recipes apps categorize content by programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript, making it easy for users to find relevant code snippets. Many of these apps include features like search functionality, user ratings, and comments, allowing developers to access community-contributed recipes and share their insights. In addition to code snippets, these apps often offer tutorials, best practices, and tips for coding, fostering a deeper understanding of programming concepts. Some may also include interactive coding environments where users can test code in real time. Overall, Code Recipes apps are essential tools for programmers looking to streamline their coding process, learn new techniques, and enhance their problem-solving skills in the ever-evolving field of software development.